Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the fundamentals. Choose flat, magnetic bottom cookware so the coil couples efficiently. Once done, place a pan that closely matches the cooking zone so less energy is wasted. Preheat at low-medium power to reduce ramp-up loss. You can always increase later. Make sure to avoid tiny pans on large zones and remove lids only when necessary. This first phase saves electricity by minimizing idle heat and reducing the time the hob runs at high power. Now focus on how you cook. Keep lids on to trap heat and use residual heat. Turn off the hob 1 to 3 minutes before the finish to let carryover complete cooking. Use simmer or pulse modes for sustained low-energy cooking instead of continuous full power, and reserve boost only for brief boils. Combine tasks. Boil larger quantities at once, then simmer, and defrost in the microwave to shorten induction runtime. These choices lower average power draw and shorten total runtime. To finish efficiently, maintain both the cooker and cookware. Clean pans and the hob so sensors detect temperature correctly and coupling stays strong. Make sure your unit settings and firmware are current so power control is accurate. If something goes wrong, like the unit trips or won't heat, check the pan's magnetic coupling, try a different zone, and confirm the circuit isn't overloaded. One key troubleshooting tip: if heating is weak, swap to a confirmed magnetic pan. Poor coupling is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.